Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the super easy way to add fish to your favorite list in Abyss Roblox. So if you want to protect your albino mutations or maybe the legendary catches so they stay safe in your inventory forever, here I'm going to show you how you can easily add the fish to your favorite list. So in here, what you need to do, just right click on the fish that you want to add to your favorite list like this, and it will automatically add the star like this, and it means that it's already added to your favorite list like this. So just right click on the fish and that's it. So it will move to your favorite list easily. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. I'll catch you on the next tutorial.